Food Explorers, this is something na we normally do. This is part of our routine here in the restaurant na whenever we are changing or we are adding some items, lagi nga namin sinasabi kasi we basically cater yung aming offerings doon sa seasonal ingredients. Marami kaming harvest dito ng kamote. That's also one of the things na we wanted to incorporate. Aside doon sa aming, lagi kami may talong, yan yung mga staples namin dito sa garden. So for our next cycle, we'll be adding another item sa menu natin. I'm thinking of calling it Tortang Anihan. Basically, for the torta na gagawin natin, dalawang components siya. One is yung pinaka-torta, yung pinaka-garnish naman niya is lumpiang sariwa. Shred lang, make sure na shredded. And then, try muna natin ng 6 eggs. Lightly season with salt. Pepper natin. So yung pan natin, kanina pa yan na nandyan. Generous amount of oil. So we have lard here. Paano siya ulit magiging non-stick? Painitin ng matindi yung pan. Saka mo ibababa ngayon yung temperature. Baba natin. Tapos make sure na yung gilid coated din. Then we pour in yung ating itlog. Siguro yung pinaka-trick lang na gusto ko dito for service is yung kuhang-kuha yung molde ng pan natin. And also remember guys, huwag mo masyadong pupwersahin yung ilalim kasi ang magiging pinaka-presentation side niyan, yung ilalim. Antayin lang natin na slowly maluto yung ilalim. Ang problema kasi, pag ginalaw nyo itong torta natin ng gantong kaaga, masisira yung korte. Ito yung isang parte nung demonstration namin na kasabay na rin ito actually research and development. So, you always have to factor in yung mga real-life events. So, ganito, ngayon mababantayan natin to na hindi masunog yung ilalim. Pero kapag syempre sabay na lahat ng pans natin dito, lahat ng stoves natin okupado, you have to anticipate kung paano yung magiging movement ng kitchen. So, I think the best course is halfway, once na nag-settle na siya sa ilalim, kunin na natin siya, ayan, medyo shaky pa yung ibabaw. That means yung ilalim, stable na siya. So what we do, meron tayong equipment dito sa kusina, yung ating salamander. So give or take, siguro mga 3 to 5 minutes to bago matapos. So for our garnish, lumpiang sariwa, any root crop na meron tayo, especially those that are in season, yun yung gagamitin natin. Hot pan, lard. Gusto ko lang ng medyo may crunch yung ating kamote. Unahin na natin yan. I'm gonna add in our carrots as well. Season, salt lightly. Okay. This is the perfect time for us to saute. So reverse tayo gumawa nito. Ang ating onions. Garlic natin. So here you go. So for the sauce, bawang, brown sugar, and then yung ating soy sauce. So yung slurry natin. So okay na yung sauce natin, consistency niyan. And then we finish it off with our sauce. And for texture, peanuts. Tapos meron tayong, di ba? Toasted garlic. There's our Tortang Anihan. Yun.